Hi friends, this is iPhone XR. This one I bought almost 4 years back at 45,000. So now it's getting heated and charging is not coming properly, and moreover it is a 4G phone. I want to shift to another phone, and moreover, as you know, I am Apple boy. All my products are Apple products, so compulsory I have to purchase another iPhone. So when going to the iPhone, which is the best iPhone latest, it is nothing but iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I am thankful to my brother. So this one is iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's unbox it. So when compared to iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, there is a little bit camera difference, and it has a powerful camera. And moreover, I am shifting to Pro when compared to this normal thing is because in that one I like the sensor LDR. So LDR sensor I like it. So I am shifting first time to the Pro. I have been using iPhone for many years, but now first time I am shifting to Pro, that to Pro Max. So let's unbox it. So this is the pack, and it costs in Indian rupees around 1.5 lakh. And let's open it. It seems to be very lightweight because they are not giving charger, only cable, and became very lightweight. Let's open it. Yeah, can you zoom it here? Yeah. Okay, is it visible? Okay. So as usual, this one are opening. Yeah. So this one, and this is our very thin, and this is iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I have chosen natural titanium because as an MTech in materials engineering, I know very much about titanium. It is the strongest and lightest material, and this is especially used in aerospace materials. In aeroplanes also they will use in several parts, but mostly aluminium they will use. It is also lightest, but this is the strongest also, and this is used in several implants like our body, if any fractures like that. So titanium is considered as lightest and the strongest material. So I choose this titanium, and I have chosen natural titanium. That means without coating. There are other colors variants which are having certain coatings of colors, but I choose as natural as possible to get the feel of that titanium metal. So this is slightly yellowish in color. Now let's open this one, and yeah, as usual, Apple no plastic cover. So let's open this one, and yeah. So this is the, I think bottom also something is there. Okay, bottom also will open. Another one, yes. So top and bottom. Yeah. So this is iPhone 15 Pro Max, and as you can see, this very beautiful, very nice. So yeah. Now it has given in addition to one USB Type C cable, and mainly I am shifting to iPhone 15 Pro is because of this cable. This is the Type C. First time Apple has given Type C, and this is a lightning cable for 10R. Now recently I purchased iPad Pro, which is having Type C, and MacBook Pro, that is also having Type C. So if I having Type C, then I can use single cable for all Apple products. So that's why that is one of the reason I have bought this iPhone 15 Pro. Recently there are a lot of sales. I can go to iPhone 14 Pro also, but because of Type C I came to the iPhone 15 Pro. Now this one, let's open this one. There are, as usual they will give, I like this symbol, as usual they will give all those things. Now let's open this one. So this is the beautiful iPhone 15 Pro Max, 3 cameras, and compared to one camera, and it's almost a little bit bigger the size, and as you can see the camera sizes, and okay, now let's switch on. As first time I was making switching on, so this Apple, yeah, first it will come hola, hello, yeah, hello. Yes, this is first hello, and Chinese, Japanese, I don't know which country, this is maybe Japanese. Oh, now let's take this. So these are all settings in India, and setting the language. Yeah, appearance, continue, and without another device, continue. So without Wi-Fi, continue. It may take few minutes to activate your iPhone. So I will do later. So it is asking this one. Okay. Anyhow, I will take some time to set up. Oh, so this is the beautiful, and this island is the new thing when compared to my 10R, and this one also I want to test. So that's what this one. This is a Type C. I like it most. So it's very beautiful, and thank you for visiting. And it has two SIMs, eSIMs or SIMs. So like that. Thank you very much, and I am also thankful to my brother Mahasagar Mayur. Thank you.